Welcome back to our gardening series. In today's episode, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of the Natchez Blackberry. This particular variety has captured the hearts and taste buds of many gardeners and fruit enthusiasts. Let's explore its history, description, growing conditions, companion planting, and various uses. The Natchez Blackberry is a thornless blackberry cultivar that originated in the United States. It was developed by the University of Arkansas and released in 2007. This variety was specifically bred to combine exceptional flavor, high productivity, and resistance to diseases. Natchez blackberries are known for their large, juicy, and sweet berries. These berries have a glossy, deep black color when fully ripe. Their flavor is a delightful balance of sweetness and tartness, making them perfect for fresh eating, baking, or making preserves. Growing Natchez blackberries requires some specific conditions. They thrive in full sun, so make sure to choose a sunny spot in the garden. Well-drained soil is essential, and adding organic matter can improve the soil's fertility. Regular watering is crucial, especially during dry periods. Natchez blackberries are trailing plants and benefit from trellising or support systems to keep the canes upright and organized. Pruning is also important to remove old canes and promote new growth. It's best to prune in late winter or early spring before new growth begins. Companion planting can greatly benefit Natchez blackberries. Consider planting them alongside other sun-loving fruits like raspberries or strawberries. The blackberry's sturdy canes can also provide support for climbing plants such as grapes or cucumbers. Now let's talk about the versatile uses of Natchez blackberries. They're excellent for fresh eating, adding a burst of sweetness to salads or desserts. They make delicious jams, jellies, and syrups. You can even incorporate them into smoothies or use them as a topping for pancakes or yogurt. And that concludes our exploration of Natchez Blackberry. With its delectable flavor, high productivity, and disease resistance, it's no wonder why this variety is a favorite among blackberry enthusiasts, so why not give it a try in your own garden? Remember to check out your local garden center or nursery to find Natchez Blackberry plants suitable for your region.